It smells so good and looks so delicious. Many of you are familiar with this root vegetable. Let me see what I can come up for today's recipe with this root vegetable. I'm cutting them into big chunks. Let's do the rest of the ingredients. Carrot, red bell pepper. I'm seasoning chicken with salt and pepper. These are chicken thighs, boneless and skinless. Onion, pitted olives, sun-dried tomatoes in oil, and let the machine do the work for you. Let's start cooking. Olive oil in a pan. I'm just going to brown the chicken for about a minute or two on each side. I'm removing the chicken from the pan after I brown them. This is the olives, dried tomatoes and onion paste. I just did not want to do all the chopping, so I did it in food processor. It's a good help. Put the chicken back to the pan. This is the root vegetable I was peeling. It's called taro. Now I'm adding it to the chicken. Pitted olives, chicken broth, cover it. It's boiling really nicely. Let's put the cover back and lower the heat. Carrot and bell pepper. I'm taking out some of the taro, then I will mash it. I'm just mashing it with a fork. And let's put it back to the pan. The mashed taro will thicken the sauce.